you drew the short straw this year and you've got to do the family reunion t-shirts. You're probably stressed out about it too, right? You've been online, you've looked at all the big players. Their websites are nice, they're slick, they're fun to use, but you're not really sure what you're gonna end up with. You've got some skills, you're good at art. Well, maybe not. But you really don't want to do that t-shirt, let's face it. Well, don't worry, we've got you covered here at Embroidery Manufacturing. We'll take all that stress off your plate and we'll make you a fantastic family reunion t-shirt. Here at Embroidery Manufacturing, we've got the skills, expertise, and knowledge to give you embroidery, screen printing, digital printing, foil printing, scented printing. Yeah, that's right. We make your shirts smell, but in a good way. So if you've been picked to do your family reunion t-shirts this year, take a look at our facility. I think we can handle it for you. So give us a call or click on that button below and we'll get in touch with you.